Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Mastercraft XT24. So taking a look at the back of the boat, your swim step here, awesome feature, makes it super easy getting in and out. With the XT series, you'll get your pop-up seat backs. You can also lay these down flat and have a full sun pad back there as well. So coming on in the boat, you'll have a nice sea deck walk through there. You'll also have your observer seat that you can flip back and forth. Very easy. You'll have a sea deck step pad there to get in the boat. And as you come in, you'll notice your Clips sound system. So they updated the software this year. It's supposed to sound really, really nice. Working our way up to the bow, a lot of room up here, pickle fork nose, a lot of storage, more cup holders, USB ports, speakers. So really nice layout up here as well. You'll have a sub down below. But again, guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville. This was an XT24. Thank you for watching.